Hey guys, so we're getting ready for the Momo party, yeah? So we're gonna do now. Let's go shopping. Vamonos. Cheers. See ya. So we're buying a chicken, and then we're gonna make keema, which is called a minced meat. Then for Momo. I'm in the sun, taking care of my meat, and look at my other guests. All the lazy, they are tired of the sun. They're all in the shade.
Can I buy one of the brooms?
करेन्ट मोमो मसला मान्छे सोध्नु करेन्ट एउटा एउटा पुग्दैन पुग्छ अनि अर्को के चाहिन्छ हामीलाई मरिचको धुलो एउटा अनि This is for shopping for today's Momo party with Big Brother. What is your name? Okay. So getting ready for a Momo party tonight. I still need to go out for shopping because there's still something missing. Dope.
But I think it's like a cafe bar kind of.
Nice. People are loving the 80 beer, huh? Wee wee. It is coming, yeah. So this is our Momo. Things going on.
Right, for like 20 minutes, an hour every day.
Momo spices.
And we have 80 beer.
And sponsorship.
Here, and then or like when I know how to go backwards. Go into one person.
Time at Kiwi Hostel. Well, guys, thank you, Eti, for sponsoring us.
Thank you, Yeti. Yeti.
Cheers.
So good, I had to have two.
Here we go. Cheers. Grab it, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Grab your Etis.
Stinger, I've never seen you move so quick.
Watch out, man.
Should have seen you get out of that Masuzo's.
What, were you getting a shave?
Yeah. The shave, the cut, the ball.
And the mountain in the background, a little bit Matsupusuri.
And the Yetis.
And the only thing I would carry around with you is garlic. I would not have anything else but some garlic.
Momo, sponsored by Yeti.
Sponsored by Momo's.
How much filling you put in?
So Momo prep going on here. We have this is like new chicken. Oh, look at his Momo.
Look at this Momo.
There we go. There we go. How's it going, brother?
Good.
Good?
Kind of good.
How's it going, guys? Wow, that's very great. Nice shape. It's full moon. Maybe it's full moon. Full moon today? So, full moon and our Momo party going on here.
But he's the only one that's interested. Yeah, it's good, yeah.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
Good, Mom. Mom party is good.
Yeah, finally, after a long day. Guys, how's the food?
Thank you, chefs. Yes.
Thank you, chef. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and thank you. Guys, how's the food?
Incredible. Perfect. Perfection. Me too, me too.
Guys, how was the food?
Terrible. Look.
Uh-oh. Thank you guys. Thank you. No, thank you, chef.